Alright, so welcome to this course where we're going to take a look at 3D techniques inside of CSS. So with the new capabilities of CSS3, we can now actually transform elements in the 3D space. Now what's great about CSS 3D? Number one, it opens the door to loads and loads of capability. And we're not just going to be doing party tricks, we're going to be doing working examples. And also, they're going to be very productive and enhance the user experience. It's not just experimental stuff. Also, what's great about CSS3 and the 3D transformations and also transitions is the fact that it's GPU rendered. What does that mean? Well, it means the graphics card, the thing that was built to render and obviously animate stuff, is actually doing all of the heavy lifting. So instead of loading those transitions and animations on the CPU, getting very slow, jerky transitions, we're getting incredibly smooth, incredibly clean transitions that are fast and snappy, even on mobile devices such as iOS and Android. So this really does open a massive opportunity for web developers to really push the boat out and create websites with whole new experiences. Just take a look at some UI designs. For example, the latest iOS 7 where it stacks the tabs. That is again a very useful way to use 3D and really enhances the user's experience. Also, let's take a look inside of the browser right here. You'll be able to see here I have something called Impress.js open as a little example, and I can sort of iterate through the slides, and you'll notice now what will happen is we'll zoom out and we're sort of moving around, and we're actually moving around with all these different 3D views, and it's just creating such a nice experience. Imagine making a presentation online like this. And also there are presentation tools such as Prezi, which again look very similar to this, but this is all being rendered inside of HTML and CSS. Incredibly powerful. Then also we have great user experiences when it comes to actually, folding up divs. So this is fantastic for, let's say folding out a menu, let's say, or using that in the mobile version of our site. And of course you could use this in a PhoneGap app as well. So again, we're getting really speedy and quick results. And that's even on mobile devices. So you see we can close this all up, we can open this, and then we can customize it to our heart's content. You can change the height limit, so you can have less height, more height, so we have more or less sections. It's entirely up to you. And again, you can go into the 3D perspective as well. So it really is an incredibly powerful feature inside of CSS. And we, in this course, are going to utilize that power to help build a better user experience and put you ahead of your competition. So thanks for watching this introductory lesson, and in the next lesson what we're going to do is take a look at the browser and fallback support.